Hello and welcome. Today I will be showing you how I made a keyboard from Arduino components. So first, as you can see, I also used some recycled components. This is a fax case. As you can see, these are keys from an old keyboard. As you can see, they're very yellow. So let's check what's inside. Right under the keys are some buttons, some small ones and some big ones. They're on a prototype breadboard. They're all connected to the Arduino. There's also a speaker right here. This one was the original fax speaker. It's also connected to the Arduino. It's quite bad. These are buttons that manage option control, so volume up, down, tonation changes, and the rest is just a fax case. I made the power outlet right here. So now let's get to the wiring. So here, as you can see, the speaker has two cables. One is on pin 13, the red one, and the white one here to breadboard minus rail. Both breadboards get both plus and minus from GND and 5-volt pins in the Arduino. The buttons are connected from pin 2 to pin 12 because pin 13 is the speaker. These buttons are connected from A1 to A5 over here. So let's plug it in. This is a DC charger and you're gonna hear something once I connect it. As you can hear, it has a nice intro song. As you can hear, it plays. Okay. So these are the buttons for options. Unluckily, my speaker does not support volume control, so these two do nothing, but they can change the tonation, so it's more high-pitched now. And then I can revert back to a lower tonation. Then I can also reset the settings with the black button. It doesn't handle multiple buttons at once very well. Also, the buttons are more clicky than on a normal keyboard because a normal keyboard has a membrane, and as you can see, I just put normal buttons down there. So it's not gonna be as smooth. You're gonna have to press a bit harder.
Now let's get to the source code. These are the variables for the pins. These are the keyboard button pins which you play on. These are the option buttons. This is the speaker pin. This is the default volume. This is the scale offset. These are bass frequencies, and this is another boolean for controlling the button states. These are intro notes and their durations, which are then played by this function. This function plays the intro notes. This is the standard Arduino setup. Prints this message and gets all of the buttons and then plays the intro on the keyboard speaker. This is a function called read controls. I made this so that the keyboard uses a bit less energy than it used before. It just does different actions based on which button was pressed. These are the buttons from A1 to A5, and then this is the loop function that just loops on and on in the Arduino. So this plays sounds if you press any of the keyboard buttons, and it only plays if a button state is down. And then it also does some diagnostic printing, and the delay is 20 milliseconds.
So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you managed to make a similar keyboard thanks to this video.